Why does cooking black-eyed peas often seem like a culinary challenge wrapped in mystery? In this culinary adventure, we will not only prepare a meal, but also unravel the secrets to achieving black-eyed peas that are nothing short of perfection. Our journey commences with a step that is frequently overlooked, but is of paramount importance: the overnight soak. Soaking black-eyed peas is not merely about softening them. It's a transformative process that serves multiple purposes. Not only does it significantly reduce cooking time, but it also eliminates those notorious flatulence-inducing compounds. When you discard the soaking water, you're also discarding potential digestive discomfort. Imagine your black-eyed peas plump and ready for the next phase after their overnight bath. Here is where we embark on a voyage of flavor infusion. Cooking these peas is not a simple matter of boiling them until they become soft. It's an opportunity to infuse them with flavors that will elevate them from a mundane side dish to a culinary masterpiece. The choice of broth marks your first flavor decision. A rich vegetable or chicken broth can infuse the peas with depth and character. Then come the aromatics: garlic, onion, bay leaves, each carefully selected to complement and enhance the natural taste of the peas. For those who seek adventure, a pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of smoked paprika can introduce subtle heat or smokiness. Now, let's delve into the cooking process itself. Whether you prefer a gentle simmer on the stovetop or the gradual cook in a crockpot, the principle remains the same: a steady, gentle heat. This slow cooking is the secret to achieving tender, creamy peas without them disintegrating into a mushy mess. As they simmer, they absorb the flavors of the broth and spices, transforming into a rich, flavorful, and texturally pleasing dish. Yet this culinary expedition isn't solely about the peas. It's about their companions on your plate as well. Black-eyed peas possess remarkable versatility. They can serve as a flavorful main dish or a hearty side, effortlessly complementing meats and vegetables alike. They form an excellent foundation for protein-rich salads and harmonize beautifully with greens such as collards or kale. And let's not forget the timeless combination with cornbread, where they soak up its buttery goodness. Cooking black-eyed peas also entails embracing tradition. These legumes have a storied place in culinary history, particularly in Southern cuisine, where they symbolize good luck and prosperity. They embody the resilience and creativity of culinary traditions, turning a simple bean into a cherished staple. So, when you embark on your next black-eyed pea cooking venture, remember that you're not merely preparing a meal, you're embarking on a culinary odyssey. Each step, soaking, seasoning, simmering, contributes to a journey that metamorphoses a humble legume into a dish that nourishes not only the body, but also the soul. Black-eyed peas are not only a delight for the taste buds, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in both fiber and protein, they make a valuable addition to any diet. Their low glycemic index is particularly advantageous for individuals who are mindful of their blood sugar levels. When it comes to cooking black-eyed peas, don't overlook the importance of achieving the perfect texture. Cooked just right, they strike a delicate balance between tenderness and firmness, retaining their shape while offering a creamy melt-in-your-mouth experience. However, if you overcook them, they can become mushy, still delicious, but with a different, more homogeneous appeal. The key to culinary success lies in finding the ideal balance that suits your palate. Delving deeper into the cooking process, let's not underestimate the importance of seasoning. Salt is a pivotal component, but its timing is critical. Adding salt too early can toughen the peas, while adding it too late might leave them under-seasoned. The secret lies in salting the peas toward the end of the cooking process, allowing them to absorb the seasoning without compromising their texture. For those who relish a touch of crunch, contemplate a final garnish. A sprinkle of crispy bacon or a handful of fresh herbs can introduce a delightful contrast to the creamy peas. This not only heightens the flavor profile, but also enhances the dish's visual appeal. In summary, cooking black-eyed peas is an exercise in embracing simplicity and elevating it through thoughtful preparation and cooking. It's a journey that demands patience and creativity, resulting in a dish that is not only comforting and nutritious, but also steeped in culinary tradition. Soak, season, simmer, and savor every bite of this timeless treasure.